Hello crafty friends, welcome back to my channel. Today I have a little tutorial-ish for you guys. So I am playing with ScrapDiva Designs, what is this one called now? I forget, the Easter display box. And I had mentioned doing like a memory decks box. So I wanted to show you guys how I was going to do it, because I'm pretty sure someone's going to say like, hey, show us how you did it. And it's super easy. You're going to need 2 straws. And what I'm going to do is I just measured it kind of the distance here like this. I think one's a little bit shorter than the other when I was cutting it. Anyways, you're going to want to cut 2 down. And then what I decided to do is I took this cutting piece here that goes on the center, or, you know, at the bottom, the layered one, and I'm making them the Memory Decks cards, and I'm going to put embellishments on it. As you can see, I have this one with the Easter words because it's going to be an Easter theme. So I wanted to show you guys how I was going to do it. And what I'm going to do is you put together your box. This is mine, what I have so far. I found this pack of, what is it, authentic paper. So it's called Cottontail. I got it at, I'm pretty sure I got it Tuesday morning. And I just found it in my paper stash. So I pulled it out to create this one. And I do have the other one that I'm just going to do little eggs in. But what I'm going to do is I took that piece and I have the Heidi Swap Memory Decks punch. You could also use like one of Erica's MDC die cuts, or you could take like this one's also a Heidi Swap, and you can take it and then you can trim it down to create it. And then this one would have a cute little file folder there, so you could do that too. But what I did was I wanted to use this part of the die set, and so I pulled out this punch, and what I did was I was playing with figuring out how to punch it, and I finally found the middle spot. I punched it and then I lined it up and I put washi tape, so I knew to bring my paper and line it up to punch out my holes, and that's where I knew, lay down my paper there to align there, and that's how you can get the correct measurement on all of them. So now I have all my memory decks and they all line up, as you can see. So I hope that makes sense. Okay, so to put together, like I said, you're going to cut out your 2 straws, and what I'm going to do is I'm going to take my design here and I'm going to lay it down right where it lines up. And as you can see, I'm going to take a pencil and I'm going to draw little hole dots there, or little X's, as you should say. So I know to bring my straw in and glue it down there. And then I'm going to do the same thing over here. I'm going to line this up. And you can't see, but you're going to draw a line or an X where you want to line up your straws. So I don't know if you guys can see in there, but there's 2 marks and then my 2 little marks in there. And I'm going to take my glue stick and I'm going to just line it up there and then make sure it lines up over here and then glue it down. And I'm going to use hot glue for this. It should hold. I've made some before and that's what I do. I just use hot glue and it works just fine. And if it comes off, you could always just glue it back on. So there's one, and then there's the other there. It's a little bit off, just a little bit. You can bring it up just a little bit. You could also add regular glue to it so that it will bind, but I'm just going to use hot glue for mine. Nothing special about my glue gun, guys. It's a Dollar Tree special. Okay, and I'm going to glue that one there. I am going to stretch it out just so that, there we go. So there we go. I'm going to bring it up just a little bit. This one I think is a shorter one. I might add a little bit of glue in there just to kind of help bind it. I don't know if it's gonna make a difference or not, but I'll let it dry. But now I can take my little shapes here and voila. So now I can create my cute little memory dex holder. And if I send this off, which I think I'm actually going to do a giveaway with this one, guys. I'm going to put a bunch of cute little embellishments and do the giveaway for my 6,000 followers that I got on, what is it, Instagram? Yeah. How cute is this, guys? Look at this. Oh, I love it. Okay, so when I will come back and show you guys the rest of my embellishments here in a minute. Okay, friends, so I finished up the little box. How cute did it turn out? Oh my gosh, I love it. I didn't add anything back here. I gotta find something that I like. I haven't found anything, but I definitely love the way this little bunny turned out. I kept him pink. I used some vellum for the whiskers. I added these little glasses. I think I can't remember where I got them from. I think it's, oh gosh, I'll have to look. I think it's Peachy King, but I'm not 100% sure. I did add some more of my favorite flowers. This is the flower from the embellishment box. I'll link it in the description. And then this is the amaryllis flower. I also added an egg back here, which is from the die set itself. It does come included, so that's a fun one. This is just a bow die set that I have in my own stash. And I was trying to find one that was smaller but like bulkier. Because the one that comes with this, I feel like it's too small. Or I wanted it just to be bigger, I should say. And I love the way it turned out. So cute, you guys. Okay, so now I added all my little sheets here, my little memory dexes. And you could actually, once you've, used up all the embellishments, you could actually make memory dex cards. And so I made one. I added a cut apart from the paper collection. I added one of the little carrots that comes with the die set. And then I had these cute little bunnies. I think I picked these up at Happy Crafters shop last year. Drilled hole in there to make it a bead. These are my favorite flowers, you guys. I love them. And then I added Easter words from the Easter word. I think what was it, 1? Yeah. I like that. I did glitter. And then I took the little the little eggs that I stamped up, and I added little bunny ears. This is just one of those Peeps die set. I picked it up of Allie years ago, and I trimmed it down, and then I added the little bows so you couldn't see kind of where it's glued at, kind of covers it. So I did that. I finally got into the sequin shaker. I have more. I have to share those. I'm gonna do a separate video for that one, but I kept this one simple just because I really just wanted an embellishment on there, and this one was big enough that it took the whole spot pretty much. But I just love the way it looks, and I just did the little nose. I didn't want to add the eyes. I just did the little nose. And the paper collection has this fun brown like wicker paper, and so I added that at the bottom. Love the little ears. So cute. This is really cute. I did a few words. I did Happy Easter, but I had to do it the other way because when the happy part here doesn't sit well, and so it wouldn't sit equally. Anyways, I also added Egg Hunt, and I like the way that turned out with the gold, so I thought I'd add it there. But I ended up realizing that I was cutting in the night, and so I couldn't see that these are two different gold papers, glitter. This is the one from the Printworks, and then this is just one I have in my stash that I think I have from Michael's, I think. Anyways, didn't catch that until, daylight time came out. And it's kind of gloomy out here. It's supposed to rain again, so, Anywho, oh my gosh, flip over. So I also found these little cute bunnies. Aren't those so cute? And then, of course, I pulled out some fun rose cabbage beads. I want to say cabochons. Okay, so these are the Halloween tags that I think they're called ghost tags that Erica had like about last year, the year before. And I just, oh my gosh, I love these. And I thought it'd be cute to make some for the Easter theme instead of using the heart ones, because I like the little edging. So I took these little felt bunnies that were from Michael's. I took the little carrot here and added all these little fun flowers. And I had the gold stickers from Maggie Holmes, of course, Tuesday morning. And I pulled them out and have been using them up. They're losing their tackiness, so I'm adding glue behind it. But I did add a little heart in the background there. And I just love the way these turned out. These will be fun. I didn't add extra twine or anything. I just kind of wanted them there so that the person who uses them can put their own ribbon to match whatever it is they're doing. Just love the way that looks. So these are my little embellishments. And then I'm just going to stick them in here. And they go in nicely. Oh, how did I have this? I know I did a color coordination. I'm weird like that, you guys. Anywho. And now they're going to sit in here nicely like this. Look at that. And you have a set of embellishments and also a memory dex holder. How cute is that? I love this. So cute. This is my project. I hope you guys like it. Here's some of the stuff that I used for it. See, there's a dies. Definitely head over to ScrapDiva Designs if you want to pick up any of these sets, and check out the hashtag ScrapDiva Designs for ideas and inspiration. Don't forget to sign up for her mailer. What else? I can't think of anything else. I hope you guys have a great week. I hope you guys like this project. And if you pick this set up, I hope you try this. It's definitely a fun way to use it and send some goodies. Of course, just adding the little eggs is cool too. I have another one that I'm going to share because I found these cute little glittered eggs that I've been hoarding. So I'm going to use those up. But thanks for watching, you guys. I'll link everything in the description box and definitely come back for some more videos. Bye.